Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Depends on the time. Wait till the waka the jam this my video, my people. And just a come again. I want to talk about online business. The reason why I want to talk this thing, make una no vex so. Make una no let them vex you now. I beg, I dey beg. The reason why I want to talk this thing, get where I travel go. I call they try to introduce my business, give person. Since then, they introduce and they give people. They tell people. But anybody where you tell, you go say, I go look and I go call you back. I go look and I go call you back. That one even good though. When they look and go call you back, it better pass the one who come insult you, Jonah. Wetin make me they talk this thing, I want to let you know so. Then I come see one girl. As I see the girl, I go say, my sister, I greet you. She answer, fine. She say, anything? I say, no problem, nothing, no. I just want to introduce my beautiful business to you. My sister, I never ever talk and come out. Hey, I never ever talk and come out. This girl nearly chop me wrong. This girl nearly chop me wrong. I try to make her understand. I try to bring her up. I try to bring her mind down. You know what? She said, my sister, wait. She said, make I wait. Make she first tell me what she don't experience about online business. Now I come listen to her. As I listen, you know what? She say she don't do it to Joe Plus. They don't deceive her enter Joe Plus. He enter. Now credit base na carry. They deceive her enter Light Plus. That Light Plus or they call her no. They tell her say if you bring person, if you do this one, and so you go receive double call, and so you go do this one. So they deceive her enter Light Plus. You know how much it register people to put people for Light Plus. He said, "Na crediting card." He said, "Now me want to carry my own business wahala, I can't give him again." See, he just talking for a man. If anybody measure business for a year, he go chop the person wrong. Now I say, what happened, my sister? He said, no, nothing dey happen. Me we not just get quarrel. Me we not get quarrel at all. I know this is how I want to talk this thing. I go make you now understand. Me not just get quarrel. He just say make me understand. That deceive all the deceive people. Me will stop her. Me will just stop her. The thing touch my heart. I try to make her understand. My sister, everybody not be the same. Me, I go explain everything for you. If you like, you enter. If you like, you no enter. It's not by force. I cannot deceive because I want to carry junior manager. I cannot deceive because I want to enter junior manager. I cannot deceive because I want to get point. The insult is too much now. It's getting worse. That's why I call one girl for loyalty today. You know what that girl the same for me. You don't know what that girl the same for me. For my WhatsApp. Don't be my clear-hearted blocker. Don't be my clear-hearted blocker or the sake of online business. I know why they talk this. I want to make you now understand. I not go jump person. On the way the people for online. I want they introduce people for business. I want to make you now understand. Because of deceiving, nobody will agree tell you about business again when you go agree join you. Nobody want join again. I want to beg you now where they introduce people to business. Make you now not try to deceive person. Make the person go borrow money, go enter. At the head, not what you tell her, not big go come they receive. Those kind deceiving of extra income. Make you not stop her. Make you not make that person understand. Before you go get the income, before you go get the extra money, make you not make her understand what thing go belong to. Before you go reach there. What thing you go get to reach there, make you not make that person understand. Make you not just rush that person to that business. All the sake of say you want to grow, you want to be a manager, you want to be a junior manager, you want to get your own point. No, I am begging everyone that is online business. I am begging. So the one I put for my online business, Now, so insult, they insult me day and night by this time. So insult every day, they insult me. You know why they insult me? I want to make you not know. Why they made this video? Because of people who never enter business. And for people who don't see enter too. Sister, if you don't watch this my video, I want to just give you a little advice. If you don't watch this my video, make I advise you. If anybody put you to a business, anybody introduce for a business, you know what? Don't rush yourself to rush people enter. Don't rush yourself. If anybody put you for business, may I give you a code. Try to stay that business like 1 month, 2 months to experience some first before you go borrow money to put people. Before you go rush yourself to rush people to come and join you. By the time you borrow money to register people, by the time you rush people to the business, my sister, you're going to hear well. I'm telling you the truth. Oh. Even if you are a man, I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Don't be saying how they pay me, oh, because they don't deceive me for many times. But you know they pay me. But I just they try to make you now understand. Make you not go put person when you go put in for problem. If you want to put person for business, make a tell now. If you are something you they sell for that business, tell that person say, my sister, this business where you want it so. See what you with the sell oh. At least if you buy 50 euro, you sell 70 euro. At least if you buy 100 euro, you sell 150. That be your whole game. Just let that person know, so that be your whole game. You guys stop to tell the person, at the end of the month, the manager will pay you again. At the end of the month, you will receive extra income. No! Let that person buy and sell. So if the person can't enter finish, because they get in your extra income, then you know tell them, then you go come make her understand. Now you go come with the smile, say you know tell her say they will still pay at the end of the month. It better pass say you can't tell her say they go pay her money, then you can go borrow money to enter. That the hope of say if you receive money from the manager, you go use and cover the money where you borrow. My people, make you not vex so, and they try to make you understand. Because nobody nowadays you feel cost make you join your business, make you join. You know day. I know why they talk on. Me say if I insult person day for yesterday. I insult one girl. I don't let them talk. I never let them explain everything for me. Now me come they explain for her. As they try to tell me, I say, no worry, sister. I go tell you, say I don't beat too many things. I go make you understand. The girl burst laugh. I tell her, I say, me, you know the quarrel will be friend. I just want to make you understand. In case if you want to person, tell that person exactly what you go pass through for your business. Not deceive that person. Tell her and too much of something. Too much of words at the end of the day. Not what you tell her you can't get. No, my people. I just want to tell you, I just want to advise you, everybody what they do online business. When I try to make that person to understand. If in aloe vera you want, if in aloe vera business you did do. My sister, this aloe vera you want enter. If you buy, you sell. Yes. To get that point, it no easy. It depends how you take sell. Now you take get your point. And to get that point to hit that manager, not be day job. Don't worry, go down. Slowly you will get to that place. The person go put on for mind. No, you rush and say, get point, 1,000 points. At the end of the month, manager go pay you. Pay kidney. Rather you day Juice Plus, just buy Juice Plus, body shake, buy the 500 euro to reduce. You can just hit your point. My sister, you are trying to hit your own point, not be the girl where you want put. You will want to register that person. You want to try to bring yourself to the manager, not be who you want to register. I just make a tell you, I beg. I know the verse. When I know verse for me, when I know insult me for this video. Now I beg you now. Me say if I did to online business, I want everybody to understand. Before you put anybody, try to make that person understand. And this opportunity for me to advise those people who never enter. Brother, sister, if you have not been to online business before, I'm just telling you for the first time. If anybody introduce you any business, my sister, just try and watch. Spend like 1 month or 2 months before you can be able to introduce yourself to another person again. Because by the time they register you, it's not what they told you are going to find inside though. You understand me? So I'm just trying to beg you, please, if you want to be on that business, try to understand that business. Before you now started shouting and telling everybody to come and enter your business. And for you want to register person, please, you guys should try to be making them understand. Try to make them understand. Anybody want to register, let that person know exactly what is going to pass through. Let that person know exactly what is going to understand, exactly what is going to learn inside. I am begging. You cannot able to introduce your business to anybody nowadays. Even to buy nowadays, nobody want to buy your business. They will say, by the time you finish selling it, something is not working. It's not working. I am begging. Please, everyone. Thank you all for watching this video. Please share this video. Try to understand me. I did not say online business is bad. I did not say it's not bad. Please, before you introduce anybody to your business, let that person understand. Tell the person exactly what is going to pass through. Tell the person exactly what is going to do inside that business. Do not rush that person to go and borrow money or the sake of you want to hit points. Or the sake of you want to be a junior manager. Or the sake of you want to get big money at the end of the month. I am begging everyone who will do this business, please. Please, you cannot able to introduce anybody to your business again. You cannot able to tell somebody, please, I have a business, come and join me. They will just show you. Show you. Why? Let me leave you guys for here. I said, you make your sister, you get your fresh arrows too. Please. It is not your first time where you just the wrong. You never stop. I beg, stop by this YouTube channel. Make you press that red button and the notification bell where you just the follow on. So you can get more updated story from me. In this my channel, and they talk about many things. Problem of marriage home, relationship, for that girlfriend. And they try to make people understand. Not everybody understand. Many people don't know how to respect their husband. Many men don't know how to respect their wife. That is why many homes nowadays, they scatter. All the sake of say they don't learn themselves. They don't understand themselves. So I'm trying to make many people know. But me, I don't know a lot. But the little one that I've experienced, that I will make you to understand too. Okay? Subscribe to this channel so you can be getting more experiencing from me. Thank you for your watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, do your sister a favor. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. I love you all for your being here. I love you all. My whole subscriber, God bless you. My new subscriber, God also bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Remain blessed. See you next time in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.